Can you actually bend the solar Firefly lights into shape? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Firefly Solar Garden Lights. Let's get into it. So in the box we've got the instructions and we also have the light. So the light comes in two parts. You've got the stake and you've got the lights with the solar panel already attached. All you have to do is slide the two parts together and you've got your light. So on the back of the solar panel there's a switch and there are three modes. So the default in the middle is off, and then you've got mode 1 which gives you a steady effect, and then mode 2 which is a flashing effect. So these lights feature a flexible wire which lets you mould the lights into any shape you want. Just make sure you start small at the bottom and then work your way up. So this light was of course inspired by the glow of fireflies. It's the perfect decorative light to add to your flower beds, your shrubs, or even your pathways. If you put your hand over the solar panel, you can see the lights will turn on. These lights have been designed to move gently in the wind, giving a little bit extra charm to your garden. The LED bulbs are energy efficient, long lasting and cable free. These lights do only work in the dark, so make sure the panel gets plenty of sunlight throughout the day. This way your lights are fully charged and ready to go so you can enjoy them at night. The dusk sensor turns on automatically after sunset. You'll get roughly 6 hours of runtime on a full charge. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you always stay up to date with our videos. Thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next one.